Welcome to Hugo Studio.
Can you guess these amazing facts about the animals? Let's test your knowledge with 20 fast-paced questions. You've got 6 seconds to answer each. Are you ready? Let's go. How many eyes does a caterpillar have? Which animal has 32 brains? Where is the shrimp's heart located? How many legs does a spider have? How many hearts does an octopus have? How fast can a hummingbird flap its wings per second? What color is a polar bear's skin? What is the national animal of Australia? What is a male duck called? Which animal is capable of sleeping for up to 3 years? Which animal's reproductive organ explodes and dies after mating? In World War II, Americans tried to train these animals to drop bombs. What is the color of hippopotamus sweat? Which animal has the longest pregnancy? What does a butterfly use to taste? Which of these animals can run the quickest? Which animal can eject their digestive system and associated organs when disturbed? Which animal is known for having the male get pregnant? What is the shape of a wombat poop? Which animal is known to have best friends?